Hello, my name is Elliott Stapleton. I'm an attorney with Cornett, Meyer, Rush, and Stapleton in Cincinnati, Ohio. And today I'm going to talk about an important topic for parents with minor children, especially parents who have made the wise decision, in my opinion, to take some vacations without their kids. So let's say you go on that trip. The goal of the vacation is typically to enjoy your time without worrying about the children and what may happen. So a thought or a feeling that might have come up for you while you're on one of these vacations or before you took the trip is, well, what happens if the children are sick or injured? You know, the grandparents or the babysitter that is taking care of them, how would they actually be able to take care of the child, taking them to the doctor, to the hospital? Well, if something does happen, it is important to have thought about this and taken into account a few considerations, because if that child, while you're gone, is taken to the hospital, and the grandparents or the babysitter are not always going to approve decisions that need to be made unless you take an additional action. So let's say a child loses their pinky finger in an accident. Probably unlikely, but let's say it happens. Well, the hospital is going to stop the bleeding. They're going to take care of the child's pain, but they're not going to reattach a finger without parental consent. That parental consent is necessary to approve major surgery. So what we can do is ahead of time proactively create a limited power of attorney for childcare. So this document that you would sign ahead of time and have notarized would allow you to appoint someone to approve surgical or medical procedures, take the child to the doctor, pick up prescriptions, and all the things that you would need completed if something happened to your child. And the hope is that none of these things are necessary, but let's say your child just gets an ear infection. For whatever reason, the pharmacy or the doctor's office refuses to provide the prescription without this document. Well, you have to end your trip early because one of the children had an earache. With this, that's completely resolved. The document could be presented to the doctor's office, to the pharmacy, to show that you have provided authority to have a person act on your behalf and to release HIPAA requirements and everything else that would be necessary to otherwise take care of your children. So this is just part of the important estate planning services we provide to parents. There are many other considerations which should be addressed before you take a trip with or without the kids. Feel free to contact us directly if you have any questions, or if you'd like to schedule an in-person consultation at one of our locations in Cincinnati. Thank you.